to keep it together. Even though you like your heart goes zoom for this guy, but you'll be like, because I want to nurture the friendship and I like him so much, I don't want him to let him in as a boyfriend as yet. I'm gonna let him in as a friend.
Yeah.
And it's very hard.
It depends.
Also, there's this thing that there's this notion that people have, as soon as you have sex,
it becomes closer.
It becomes closer. You can still pull back.
You can still.
True.
And cultivate
why
the friendship nonetheless.
So you won't become sex partners?
No. Listen,
you do.
my thing
Definitely.
my thing is,
It happens
I
again.
can be friends with you. I can cultivate the friendship and nurture it and we can still continue to have sex as long as I don't show you that that's where I am with you.
Okay.
As women, we can do that.
That's when men
But the
fall
men-
vulnerable. That's when men become
And that's
victims
the
now. And now you guys start
perfect-
saying
that's
we
the
use it for sex.
Yeah. And you like that's the
but
perfect space to start a relationship and be like,
Lonely.
look, right now you and I are figuring out what are we gonna do and how are we gonna go through
What I
this
wanted to
situation.
tell you-
And right now we're not together as in,
But we are in control.
but we're in control.
But they fall victims now.
Yeah, true.
In this case.
Because
When a woman
you know why we
is
fall
in
victim?
control of
Because
her
men
emotion.
enjoy sex with their sex partner, not with their, the love while they love.
The
Their lovers are always giving you stress at home. They're always nagging, shouting at you.
But
I
we've
need to
already
raise
You
about
even lose the sex
100,000.
drive.
I need to raise about 100,000 of the stuff that you want in the
You
house.
even lose the sex
So I'm
drive.
going. I'm going out to hustle and get that money.
Balance.
But when you get
Normalize
to
balancing, guys.
so
How so?
I
Because
normalize-
mothers are always shouting at us.
Normalize creativity.
Normalize,
Know what I'm
guys.
saying?
Normalize.
my question is
Tap
one,
into your
right?
Tatiana, every woman has that Tatiana. Guys, I'm not gonna, every woman has that.
What is that,
It's
Tatiana? What is
the
that?
alter ego.
Yeah?
The alter ego.
The alter ego.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that they should normalize tapping into
Do
that.
you have an alter ego?
Yeah.
Do you have an alter ego?
I'm
Ladies,
sweet as like an angel.
can I ask you
But I
something?
have an alter ego when it comes to bed.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
Can I ask you something, ladies?
Okay.
Ladies in the house. Do you have an alter ego and what's her name?
I just say Tatiana. Hey, Tatiana,
Okay,
wanna go there. I was like,
What's yours?
But what I'm saying is,
Z, what's your
I don't really know what that is.
now tell me,
Beyonce's
What I wanna-
alter ego is Sasha Fierce, by the
That
way.
is Tatiana.
What's yours?
I don't have, but I know I don't have a name.
Guys, can I this is my very first time putting it out there.
Yeah.
I do
Bring
have
it on, lady.
I do have an alter ego.
oh, okay, which is
I obviously do have an alter ego.
Yes,
Goes
I
by the name of Lisa.
Yes.
Guys,
I love
Lisa comes
it.
out.
guys,
When Lisa comes out.
am.
when Lisa
Ay,
comes
man.
out,
Yes, girl.
pack your bags and go.
Yes,
Seriously?
yes.
Pack your bags and go. When Lisa comes out,
When you release the demon in you.
Yeah.
But it's,
let me put it this way.
I've heard people,
Let me put
I've
it
heard
this
women
way.
say that.
Rendani, let me put it this way.
Yeah.
Let me put it this way.
Can I say
When
something?
Lisa comes out, two things are going to happen.
You
It's
know what?
either you pack your bags and go, or you strap down and show me what you got.
You know why the divorce rate is high now?
Yeah.
It's because most women we are afraid to unleash. You understand?
That demon.
We are afraid. And if every woman, when they're in the household in bed, if that person can come out, I'm telling you, men
No.
are us.
But
But I
can I
promise
ask
you, it doesn't take every single man to
What
tap
is it?
onto that.
Yes, it takes a special.
But then I
Is it takes a
do
special
you
man.
guys do you
Not
guys
special.
but
it's
you
just
guys-
sort
Who
of-
does it take?
remember what I said earlier?
You build it up.
But
It's a
remember what I
build-up.
said earlier as well.
This is where cheating
Self-love.
comes from.
Yeah.
I might not be able to unleash that with my husband or my long-term partner.
But your
But with my
side.
side, I'm gonna show him flames.
Anisha, that's what I was thinking
And
about.
why is it so? Why is it so? Why don't you do it at home and build your
Because
marriage?
he sent me in that way, like, oh gosh, my wife is like this, my wife is like this. So I'm trying to maintain that.
That's a problem.
Yes.
But
it's a
Lalena,
problem.
it boils down to one thing, and I know in most cases when I try to bring this up, it's like, yeah, but when are you siding with men? No, it's the reality of the
It's the
situation.
reality.
It's not about siding with men. You
Is
know,
it?
for
Okay.
me, it boils down to two things: self-love. When self-love is involved, it will be, girl, look at yourself in the mirror and be like, girl, what do you want? Are you gonna go for what you want or not? And if you love yourself that much, you're gonna go for what you want.
Especially
Be
before you
it,
leave.
yes, be it with, let me not put it that way, with the very same person that you're with. So you're gonna go for what you want.
It's a mirror thing.
Two things will be, what do you want? Be upfront about it. What you, the person I'm with, do you want from me? Let's have a chat about it. How do you like having sex as a person I'm having sex with? Because as a person that you are having sex with, this is how I like having sex. I want this. I like A, B, C, and D. What do you like? It boils down to being honest with yourself. Communicate with yourself first, and then communicate with the person that you're having sex with. Because my thing is, you cannot exchange bodily fluids with a person that you're not gonna be open with. If you're not gonna be open with the person you're exchanging bodily fluids, guys, like what?
There's no connection.
Like, what's the point?
What's the point?
What's the point? Like
Yeah.
you've seen me naked. Parts of your body has been inside my body. And some liquids from my body has entered the liquids to your body.
Okay,
Even
don't
if
be.
So how can I not be honest with you when it comes to having sex
Sometimes
about it?
there is a why they're not honest.
Just tell him. As a
Sometimes
woman.
you
Say, babe,
And
try this.
This is
Try that.
This is where
No,
my
sometimes
question.
the
Is the
reason
guy
why
is the
people
guy
are not
naturally not
open-
good, or the guy can be taught to be good?
The guy can be taught.
Can be
I
taught.
feel like that's what I'm saying. You have to have an open communication in the beginning of the relationship, right? If he's not doing something right,
And
tell
if it
him.
continues.
It's not going to be a thing of I'm taking offense. I'm saying, baby, I like when you do this, but try this. Or maybe you become in control. It's so possible. Don't wait for a man to lead. Women, we can lead.
Yeah.
Trust me, we are
And
able
the
to
minute
lead.
we start
We've got the
leading,
power to
that's
lead.
when we lose our men.
No, you don't
Because
lose him.
We overpowering them.
No,
Remember,
it's
a
not
man's
overpower.
ego is they do
It's
not
not
wanna
overpower, it's
overpower.
pleasure.
Let me
A
tell you.
man's ego,
It's pleasure.
they do not
Can
wanna
I
No,
speak as a man?
it
Men
becomes
like it when you
pleasure.
take leadership.
It's
yeah.
pleasure, baby. It's pleasure.
Pleasure.
It's pleasure because now you know how you like it, you know your experience, and you know where it hits. Because you
Yeah,
don't want to
you know
just be
the man.
working and just.
So as a man,
And the man is like,
as a man, you know your
So
partner.
now he'll just catch up because it's like, we are working here. For him, it's a turn on. And then it's like, wow, babe. Trust me in 2 days, babe.
So a lot of people have to pay for this type of information.
Of course,
You
of
know,
course.
and you
Yeah,
guys
things
are
are
giving
telling
out
us that
free
we
of
are running
charge.
out of time.
Yeah?
Things are telling us that we've run out of time. But anyway, look, I have learned so much from you guys.
To be continued. though.
Some other time.
Yeah, some
I have learned from you guys because obviously all of us, we've had these conversations with people that we're close to. It's also great to have such conversations with people you've never met, people
Yes.
you know, it just
Oh, guys, there's a question from Amfa.
perfect.
Amfa is in Midrand.
Perfect.
I'm sure Amfa, hello Amfa, where you are? He's saying, Gaita, please ask the ladies why do women generalizing here have such big egos to a point where they defend positions that are indefensible, to a point where they cut their nose to spite their face. To spite their face. That's what he said.
Wow.
Any lady
Okay,
want to tackle this
can
one?
I read that? Because
Yeah.
It says, hater, please ask the ladies, why do women generalize here? Have such big egos to a point where they defend positions that are, what does it say, indefensible, to a point where they cut their nose to the spite their face.
I kind of understand the question, but I have a question. Maybe let's put it this
You
way.
can hear us. Ask another one.
No. This is fine.
Okay.
That's a good
Please
question.
give us a scenario, rather.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
rather give
because
us like
I get a
e.g.
bit lost there at the end.
Yeah, e.g.
Yeah,
that question
where
is
we cut our
perfect,
nose
but just
and
add
what does it
for an
mean?
example. This is what I mean.
Are you
Also,
referring
I
to
have a
women on
question
top?
from Bakang. Bakang is saying, I have a question to men.
Question to men.
All right, bring it on.
Bring it on.
Guys, Bakang is saying, I have a question to men.
Yeah.
Is it possible to get back, your husband from a side chick for almost a year, then end up hiring? Yeah? What do you
Hiring
mean
what?
what hiring in the company? But okay, is
Oh
it
no,
possible?
so he hired his mistress, his side chick. He hired just reread it.
But can you just simplify this? But I'm gonna read it as he
Just
wrote
read it again.
I have a question to men. Is it possible to get back your husband from a side chick of almost a year that he end up hiring in
So
the
he's
company?
working with his.
Oh,
Yes!
Oh,
So-
I get it now.
Yes.
So
Is that a question to men
Yes,
or
it's
to ladies?
possible.
It's a question. It's a question
Okay.
to men.
I think
So let me answer.
Mr. T will answer that one.
Unless
Or he hired a side chick.
yeah, unless he decides actually to let go of the side chick, they can't be working together. You understand? So every time they see each other, it's either they bang each other in the car or in the office or down there. What do you call it? The basement.
Yeah.
The basement is the perfect. one.
Oh.
Outside the car!
You know what I'm talking about. So
By the car.
unless he lets go of the side chick. Because when you seeing her every day, you're just seeing that woman, naked all the time. I'm talking from the man's perspective.
Yeah.
You're just seeing her, doing all the deed, wild kind of thing. So, and up until he lets her go, that's when he will be safe.
Can I ask you guys something?
Yeah.
With that being
No,
said.
Renee isn't answered though.
I'm supposed to answer.
Yes,
It's
yes.
to the men. Yes.
Okay, ready? Go.
Randy, answer before I ask this question.
Yeah.
You know what? That one. Now I wouldn't do something like that.
Let me ask you guys
I
something.
wouldn't do something
So
like
with
that.
me,
That's why
I'm talking from experience.
Okay, cool.
I've
Yeah,
seen
I
it.
used to be from
I've
yesterday.
seen it happen
Let
to
me
the
just say
companies
he's
and stuff.
never cheated. Let me. Okay.
No, I've cheated a lot.
Okay, cool. No, we're not even
I'm not
judging
married.
here.
No, I'm not married.
He's not married. He's
Like,
cheating.
can I ask you, as someone who's openly saying you've cheated
Yeah,
before,
yeah.
when obviously you were in a serious relationship with a certain person, and then there was another part.
No, when I cheated, the relationship was sour. When
No, but that was your person, and
Yeah,
then you
that
brought
was my
another
person,
person.
yeah.
So I'm saying, since you brought another person into a relationship, whether it was good or bad, since you brought into a relationship another person,
yeah,
how hard it is for you to let go of the new person,
Side
the
chick.
side? Do you even let go of them?
I think it depends what agreement we have. There's like that open relationship where you will know about my woman. You
With
will-
the side? Oh, I thought.
Yeah, no.
I
You are the
thought-
side.
I thought you meant.
No, I mean,
as
you are the
with
side.
Like Will and Jada type of thing.
No. You
And
are
then
the
the-
side. Let's say, for instance, you are the side, but you know about Mama Sekai. You understand? It's just an open kind of thing. Originally, Lerato, we're just going through a lot. You understand? But I really need you. On my side sometimes. When I go out with you, it's all fun. But once I go back home,
It's sour.
I'm not happy.
I have a question for the guys. Ne? Why is it that always you guys, you would have your partner, your wife at home, and then you have me as a side chick. But the minute me as a side chick, I cheat, you guys go crazy.
Man,
You never want to see your side chick cheating.
men are like big animal, the lion. The lion doesn't like to share.
But if you're side, why
But
do
I'm
you
a
tell your
side,
man?
why-
I understand.
Why are you transparent? You're side.
I understand.
What you do on the
It's
side
something
is
that
none
is-
of his
It's
business.
something
But
that
they
is.
get
what you do
emotionally
is
affected by that.
But why are you gonna tell him?
It is just
If
something
you're
that is.
side,
If
you're
I know
not gonna
about
try.
if I know about the wife, why can't he know about my other side? Like,
But it always happens like that. Once the boyfriend knows that the side chick is having another side nigga, he can even go to an extent as killing.
No.
Killing, I'm telling you,
If
these
you
things are
tell him,
happening.
like when you meet, to say, okay, you have a wife. No, I also have mine. So that means that would be an open
Guys,
relationship.
let me speak as a side here. I've been aside.
You have been chicken licken.
I've been there. Yes,
You've been
yes.
aside.
Side is chips,
You
rice,
have-
and
No,
salad.
there's Nando's, there's chicken licken.
So-
So,
so-
chicken licken is a side dish.
So listen, here's what happened.
Yeah.
Here's what happened. Dated someone who has not a wife but a long-term partner, and then
Did you know?
I knew.
Oh.
Hey,
I was about to sit down.
You knew. You thought you were gonna replace or dispose
No, for me it was
Take
fun
over.
It was
at
just
the
a-
beginning,
this. Yeah.
but it got to a point where we fell in love instead of like we just stealing.
Oh,
You
yeah.
understand?
No.
We fell in
Develop.
love, and then there was a
Feelings.
time whereby I was like, man, this man is never gonna leave his wife. Why am I sticking around? Why am I putting myself through so
decided to
much
leave
pain? And I say, okay, fine. If you have a wife, I told him, if you have a wife, then I'm gonna get someone. Guys, I'm telling you, I was threatened
It was so
to
furious.
death.
Yeah,
I
that's
was
wrong.
threatened to
Maybe
death.
they
But
did
now
this
you
good.
are
Guys,
manipulative.
but here's the
No,
thing.
that's the problem. You are manipulative in your situation. Remember, if
Who
you're
was
side,
manipulating who?
she was a side.
Yeah.
I'm not sure you know what to go say. Let's have words Zulu because legacy good.
No, you can-
I'm gonna speak as it's one. You know how side again.
Yes.
Your side. And you know how there's already, if you accept to go into that relationship, you know your place.
Yeah.
And you can't really overpower the
It's
first
your
place.
place is here under
You
the
understand?
feet.
But now if you fall in love,
That's a
if you
problem.
fall in
That's
love,
a big
that's
problem.
where what is this
It becomes
polygamy
complicated.
plays the role. I get okay, we
You will be jealous.
But
You'll be
remember-
jealous.
now you are number two.
Remember,
now
there's
you
polygamy and polyamory.
but now remember, but if I'm a side and I accept that position and I say, okay, you are married or you have a woman, I'm getting into the relationship.
You're getting into a
You're getting it,
polyamorous.
But it
But
happens
no.
that both of you, me as the side and you as the married one or the one who has a partner, there's a possibility that you end up falling
You
in
fall in love, yes.
him.
Yes, you fall in love, but you must know you're still a side. There's
But that's
love.
not on him.
It's not on him, it's not on her.
It's a you
It's on
thing.
you.
So why are they preventing me to have
No,
another
you
side?
can't, because we side, girl. You have to understand, when you accept a position, you can't come in as a marketing director
No.
and already you're going to CFO.
Can I ask
No,
something?
No.
it doesn't
With
make
that
sense
being
to
said,
me.
You must stay in your
No,
position.
it doesn't make sense to me. How am
I
I?
know.
God knows
Yeah.
you're following
Wait,
you around.
let's give her a chance. What's your complaint? Like what?
Like,
When I have a question.
You
No, no, let's give her a
Go on,
chance.
leave it.
Let's give her a chance.
What I mean is, you as a permanent, you have someone permanent in your life,
But you
and
don't
yet
want-
so
they
you
don't
don't want
want
you to
you
be
to-
excited
yeah.
because you, at the end of the day, you go
No,
home to your
I'll
wife.
say
What
from
am
the
I
men's
doing?
perspective.
That's very deep.
No. Let's answer from men's
Mara,
perspective.
You,
When
Agree
you
to
when
that
you have a
thing.
permanent partner and you meet a side, and the side is giving you something that your permanent
Yes,
partner is not
it's
giving
not
you,
giving you.
you'll be jealous. Because you know what? When you go to her, you are happy on the other
Yes,
side.
always
But when
happy.
you go home,
You're not
maybe
happy.
there's kids as
Sour.
well, there's this and that.
Miserable.
You just like mixed up, you know, understand? Because at home you know, o tlo tlhokomela bana o. Eh?
Kama le moriri.
Yeah, I understand. And bana ba sekolong ke mang o tlo ba tlhokomelang? But when you are with Lerato, oh my God, you know you feel like you are 18 again.
Can I ask
You
you guys
understand?
something?
Yeah.
But don't you think that's where the alter ego thing comes in? Because I can give you a wife, I can also give you a freak in the bedroom, I can also give you this fun person.
Yeah.
Don't
No,
you
but
think that's
here's the
where
thing.
it-
But you
it
guys,
comes
I
in?
think from the point of men, where they come from is that
I don't want
I
to
don't
lose
know
it.
what really happens,
Yeah.
but you start to tend to relax, ne?
As women.
and yeah, as women, and in fact both sides. So
Yeah.
you tend to relax,
Yeah,
and then this is, and I've given people this scenario, or because
I'm so mad at
men
my phone
are
right now.
because men are like dogs, ne? Men are dogs, not like they are dogs. So once they
Rata-
no, here's the thing. So if they
Okay,
hunt
coming
you,
from a man, I mean, you can't
so if
dispute
they
that.
no, you're a dog. There's someone who said they've never cheated you, and it's a lie. But on a serious note, now, no, it's a lie. You know.
Mko.
Yeah. But no, because we wanted to know why you did it, why you didn't do it. You know, it's a lie.
Guys, there's a
So-
question.
Then
So,
Just
okay,
let's
we'll
dig
take the
in
question
finish.
now. Can I
It's a
just say
question
this?
from a listener.
Yeah, we'll take the question just now. Ne? So my thing is, and I want ladies to understand this part, that the moment you come in, remember now you are a rabbit, ne? The dog went out and hunted you,
It's a big one.
and then the dog